Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anil, and from today we are just going to start a new series on Vue.js. So in this video we will see why we have to use the Vue.js, what is that, and what we are going to learn in this complete playlist or complete series. So first question is obviously that what is the Vue.js? So this is basically JavaScript framework, and if you just want an example of the JavaScript framework, then Angular is the best one. So you can say that Angular is the more popular than the Vue.js in these days, but maybe someday Vue.js is a very good competitor, or maybe replace the Angular because it have the much more functionalities, and this is have many features. We will discuss the features in this video, right? So first there is some features are you will see here. First thing, this is a very lightweight. The complete production size of uh, Vue.js is 18 to 21 KB, right? This is like a very small tiny library, you can say that, right? But this is very powerful. So in the previous versions the size is also very less. The size of the previous version is around the 16 KB, but now in the upcoming versions, and they have add the much more functionalities, so now the current production size is 18 to 21 KB. Now yes, this is the front-end framework, and we use it for the single page application. If you don't know what is a single page application, so there is a one line description or definition is that the single page application are those web application we we don't need to refresh them, right? So in the any single page application we never refresh them, everything will be work on Ajax. And with the React, with the Angular and the Vue.js, we 90% make the single page application only, right? So you will find out that when we are using any front end framework or any front end library for developing any web app, then these applications never be refreshed, right? Yeah, this is a very high performance. As you listen that React and Angular are a very high performance, they are very fast in the speed. Similar way Vue.js is also very fast, even sometimes this is much faster than the Angular, right? So every framework, every library has the our functionalities and our features, and sometimes they work much better, and sometimes they are worst. But most of the cases Vue.js is much better than the Angular. This is my opinion, and the upcoming videos I will show you that how this is uh, greater than or good than the Angular, and sometimes the React also. So let's look out the some history. So the current version of that, my bad, I just put here Node.js, so let me clean it. Yeah, now this is fine. So the current version of the Vue.js is 2.6.11, right? And the first release in the Feb 2014. So you can see that this is a pretty modern JavaScript framework. This is not much older, and this is a very modern than the Angular, because it's released after the 6 to 7 year after the Angular. So yes, this is open source, and we can use it with the npm, and we can use it with the yarn, and this can also be used without the npm. So like the jQuery and the bootstrap.js, you can just put it in any a folder, and you can just use it, or you can also use the CDN. So how much comfortable some other package with the Vue.js? So there is a two more things that will make you the expert for the Vue.js. All right, one is the CLI. So I will recommend that CLI is very much important when you just learn with the Vue.js. So there is a Vue.js CLI, and it will take hardly 20 to 30 minutes to learn everything about the Vue.js CLI. With the help of the Vue.js CLI, it will just make your development more easy. You can easily make the builds, you can easily serve that, and much more. And CLI cannot be used with the CDN or directly. You can say that when you just put the complete library inside your folders, so this is not going to work with them. So it will only work with the package manager like yarn or in the npm. And now let's come with the Laravel. So Laravel is a backend framework. So like in the Angular, we mostly prefer with the Node, and with the Vue.js we will prefer with the Laravel. This is the PHP framework, and when you just looking out the documentation of the both of the Vue.js and the Laravel, they recommend each other in our website. Alright, so Laravel basically recommend the Vue.js for the front end development, and the Vue.js basically recommend the Laravel as a backend development. Alright, and if you just want to look out the full stack developer with the Vue.js, then you must definitely go for the Laravel. Alright, so now let's see what we are going to learn in this complete series. So we will see that how we can start with it. We will learn the components, some important feature, that how we can put the conditions, how we can use the you can say that looping inside it. Right, so we will learn about the template, binding, rendering, API calls, routing, much more, like how we can make the build, how we can use the webpack with it, and how we can use the state management, some interview questions, and I will try to make a project on the Vue.js also, right, with the Laravel APIs. So thanks for watching this video, and if you still have any kind of question, you can ask me in the comment box, and please like this video and subscribe my channel as well. Bye bye, take care.